This is the perfect dinner recipe you'll absolutely love. When my family tasted it, they couldn't get enough. I've been making it almost every day since. It's super easy, and I'll guide you through each step. First, cut 3 chicken sausages into smaller pieces, like this. Then, do the same with 3 chicken meatballs, next. Take 2 cups of cooked rice and add the cut sausages and meatballs. Crack 4 eggs into the mixture and mix everything together thoroughly. Just like this. Now it's time to add the spices. One teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, masala powder to taste, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix it all together until it's well combined. Next, add some freshness. Add chopped onion, 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces, some mint leaves, and 1/4 cup of fresh milk. Spreads. Mix everything thoroughly again. Now, add 2 cups of wheat flour, and keep mixing until you get a creamy consistency like this. When your mixture is ready, heat a pan and add a little coconut oil or olive oil. Spread the oil evenly with a brush. Pour the mixture into the pan and level it out perfectly. Cover it with a lid and cook for 15 minutes on low heat. Once it's cooked on one side, cover the pan with a plate, flip it over like this, and carefully slide it back into the pan. Add a little more oil if needed, and cook for another 5 minutes. And that's it. Your recipe is ready to serve. Just look at how delicious it is. I guarantee your whole family will love this dish. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time for another mouthwatering recipe. See you soon!